Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Hey, I'm Nico. And
This is Sana Geronimo.
Merry Christmas.
Merry, 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 Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday to the one and only Miss Sarah G. We've never met yet, hindi pa tayo nagkakilala, but hopefully one day we will. But now that it's your birthday, I hope that you had a good one, that today was a blast for you. And I wish you all the best in all your endeavors, maging sa buhay man yan, sa love life,
Hi.
sa career, sa lahat. I wish you all the best. And keep doing what you're doing. Keep inspiring everyone. And I wish you the best of luck. And God bless you always. Happy birthday, Miss Sarah G.
Wow! Thank you po talaga.
Okay.
I love you! Pinaplano ba yun?
Ba't kanya ka makatingin?
I wish you well with whatever it is that you're doing. And I hope to see you siguro sa mga mall shows at kung ano mang meron.
Ayoko na matulog. Joke lang po.
I just wish you well with whatever it is that you're doing also. And yun, thank you and congratulations once more. And you always be safe, okay? Bye.
Thank you, ha? Thank you for everything. Pare-pareho kaming kuwela.
Kasi gusto ko yung respectful, yung unahin na ligawan ng mga magulang ko.
Responsible, yung matalino, yung kaya kang ipagtanggol. Basta God-fearing, syempre, at sana naman gwapo. Yeah. Kung dumating man, sana sa tamang panahon at tamang tao po, di ba? Saan ka pa?